stars out this bitch. Come fuck with your boy. Yeah. See, these is the first two, and I got more on the way. You know what I'm saying? Come fuck with your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? They calling us the truck stars now. We the motherfucking truck. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking brand new cargo vans, man. Come on now. Got 7 of these bitches. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. It's your boy, man. I'm still getting these motherfucking trucks in and cargo vans and shit, man. You know what I mean? Brand new shit, man. Brand new shit. 2022 shit. Yeah, man. Got my cargo vans just landed. That's just 2 of the 7 I'm getting. Pulling up.
Stay at it, man. Gutter TV. You gonna be big, man. For real. Follow me, man. Subscribe. For real. Yeah.
You gonna be big. Straight up. You gonna be big. Gutter TV. You gonna be big. Straight up. And that's how that